A washing machine is not a luxury. Yes, it cleans your clothes, but it also needs cleaning. You'll definitely run a self-clean tub wash. But on the go, here are a few tips. Rinse out the soap and fabric softener compartments. Wipe the insides. Wipe down the gasket, otherwise it will get moldy. Wipe the inside of the door. Wipe the exterior. And depending on how often you use your machine, remember to drain the excess water and check the filter. And for a front loader, always leave the door open. Always.